Happy morning children. Welcome back to our science online class. In our first lesson we learned about living things. And our second lesson we saw about how our body works. Today I am going to revise our third lesson, that is food. And in this lesson we are going to learn about nutrients, water, healthy diet, healthy cooking and healthy habits. Children, when we are hungry, we need food, and the food helps us to grow, it helps to fight against disease, and it helps us energy. And next one is nutrients. The types of food the body needs are called nutrients. There are three major types of nutrients they are carbohydrates, proteins and fats. These nutrients need our body in large amount. And the other two types of nutrients the body needs less amount. They are vitamins and minerals. Next one, water. Water is not a nutrient, but the body needs it to work properly. So we must drink 6 or 8 glasses of water daily. Next one, healthy diet. Diet means the kind of food we generally eat. Next one, healthy cooking. Cooking makes the food softer and easier to digest. Next one, healthy habits. Healthy habits. Eat your food at regular times and chew your food well. Do not eat stale food.
Food. All living beings need food. Children, when we need food and why we are eating food? We need food when we are hungry. And the food gives us energy. It helps us to fight against disease and it also helps us to grow. Then our body needs different types of food for different things. The types of food the body needs are called nutrients. There are three main types of nutrients. They are carbohydrates, proteins and fats. The body needs these nutrients in large quantities. They are called macronutrients. And other nutrients like vitamins and minerals need less quantities. So they are called micronutrients. Carbohydrates. These are energy-giving foods. Cereals, potatoes, fruits, sugar and all seed things have a lot of carbohydrates. And we depend mostly on cereals for our supply of energy. Fats. Fats are the energy bank of the body. Our body stores the fat and it can use them when there is shortage of energy. The fat stored under the skin keep us warm. Oil, butter, ghee, cheese and nuts have fats. So do meat and eggs. Proteins. Proteins give the body the materials it needs to grow and to repair itself. They help the body make new skin, hair, nails and blood. Blood is made continually in the blood. Pulses, milk, eggs, fish and meat have proteins. Vitamins. Vitamins keep our eyes, skin, gums, teeth and bones healthy. They also protect us from diseases and help the body work well. Fruit, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk, meat, eggs and fish have vitamins. Normally, we get the vitamins we need from all these things. But sometimes if there is shortage of vitamins in the body, we will eat tablets, capsules or syrup. Minerals. Minerals help our bodies develop and function. They are essential for good health. Children, you know, our teeth and bones are made of a mineral called calcium. Calcium helps to keep the bones and teeth healthy. Children, from where we get calcium? We get calcium from eggs, milk and things made of milk. Then iron and iodine are two other minerals that we need. Iron helps the body make blood and we get iron from leafy vegetables, cereals, eggs and meat. Then iodine helps the body work well. From where we get iodine, children? Spinach and seafood have iodine. Iodized salt also have iodine. Water. Water is an important thing. We know people, plants and animals need water to live. Children, water is not a nutrient, but the body needs it to work properly. People can get cramps and fever or even die without water. And we get a lot of water from our food. Children, what is food made of? Food made of fat, protein, carbohydrate and water. Children, you must drink 4 or 5 glasses of water every day and make sure you drink water before you go out to play in summer. Healthy diet or balanced diet. Children, you know what is diet? Diet means the kind of food we generally eat. A healthy diet must have the right amounts of all the nutrients we need. Children, if you eat too little, you feel tired and not grow properly. If you eat too much, your body will store the extra food as fat. Fat people also tire easily and they have many diseases when they grow older. So we must follow a healthy diet. Healthy cooking. Children, why we cook food? We cook food to make it taste better. Cooking makes food softer and easier to digest. It also kills germs. Children, there is a bad side of cooking. Frying and overcooking burns up some nutrients in the food. Fried and oily food is difficult to digest. It can give you indigestion. Such food makes people fat and unhealthy. Healthy habits. The behavior that is beneficial to one's physical or mental health. A habit is something that you do often or regularly. Children, our digestive system works like a clock. If you eat at regular time, the juices in the stomach and intestine works well. If your stomach is empty for a long time, the juices eats up the walls of stomach and intestine. So you eat your food at regular time. Then do not eat stale food. Food becomes stale when germs act on. So do not eat stale or uncovered food. Wash off germs from your hands before you eat. And always wash fruits and salad vegetables with clean water. Children, drink clean water. Then chew your food well. This makes the work of digestion easier for your stomach. Children, hereafter you must follow these healthy habits. Children, take page number 20. Choose the correct option. Bones and teeth are made of dash. Bones and teeth are made of a mineral called calcium. Iron helps the body make hair, nails, blood or bones. Iron helps the body make blood. Third one, we get proteins from potatoes, pulses, fruit, green vegetables. We get proteins from which of these does not have fats? Fruit, eggs, nuts, butter. Fruit. Which of these act as an energy bank? Fats, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrate. Fats are called the energy bank of the body. Write true or false. Germs make food go stale. Is it correct, children? Yes, it is true. Second one, digestive juices eat up the walls of stomach if the stomach is empty for long. Yes, our digestive system works like a clock. So the digestive juices is the walls of stomach when the stomach is empty for long. So it is also true. Third one, vitamins keeps our skin, eyes and gums healthy. Is it correct? Yes, it is also true. Then iron, iodine and calcium are vitamins. Is it correct? No. Iron, iodine and calcium are minerals. So it is false. Fifth one, the food we eat does not have water. Is it correct? No, it is also false. Then sixth one, the food we eat has things that the body cannot use. Is it correct? Yes, that is also true. Next one is an activity. Children, do the activity in your home and find out the difference between the raw egg and the boiled egg. Children, hope you all understood about the lesson food. Then write your classwork very neatly without any mistake. Read the lesson and learn the fill-ups and question answers. Thank you.